Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to give you a brief introduction of our Geodex H70 handheld GPS and teach you how to do the measurement. Now look at the machine. This button is zoom in, zoom out, page, menu, mark, go to, ESC, and enter. And the power button is on the left side. And on the other side is the brightness button. And now let's do the measurements and remember, to go to an open area, the less obstacles the better. And now we are outside. And the first one, let's do the surround area measurement. In this measurement, we just need to walk around the place and the measurement will be done. Choose the metering and press confirm, then go to the area. Press confirm to get started. And you just need to walk around the place you want to measure. Okay, here we are, and then press the confirm and choose yes to save the data. Okay, and then the next one, let's do the polygon measurement. In this measurement, we need to mark several points with this machine. And then the machine will measure the area of the polygon. And now let's go. Go to the dot area and press confirm to start. And remember to press the zoom in button to mark the point. Repeat again and again until you finish your polygon. Remember, when you mark the point, you need to stop. Okay, that's it. And finally, let's do the length measurement. In this measurement, you just need to walk. Go to the length and then press confirm to start your measurement. Okay, the measurements are finished and thanks for your watching.